I'm going to show you how to change the entire page body background color in WordPress using only the built-in WordPress tools. No code, no plugins, no other websites. Start in your browser and log into your WordPress admin. Once the dashboard loads, look down the left sidebar and click Appearance. The exact options depend on whether you're on a block theme or a classic theme. If you see Editor listed under Appearance, click it. That tells you this is a block theme and you're now inside the site editor. If you don't see Editor, follow the Customizer route instead. The site editor opens with a preview of the site. Click Styles in the left sidebar. This is the theme-wide styles panel, and the body background lives inside it. Now find the Colors section and click it. Inside Colors, look for the background row and click the background color option. The color picker opens. At this point, you'll see the theme's preset colors. I would pick one of those first if you want the background to match the rest of the design. If your WordPress version includes a custom color option, click that and type a specific value. For a clean body background, I often use hex F4, 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 which is a light gray. If your text is dark, a dark background can make the page unreadable, so check the contrast while this picker is open. When you click a color, the preview behind the panel updates immediately. Look at the area behind the page content and at the very edges. The entire body should now be that color. Click Save in the top right. WordPress may open a confirmation panel that lists the style changes you're about to save. Go ahead and confirm, then click Save again if that button appears. Now open your site in a new browser tab and refresh the page. Check the edges behind the content and the footer area. If you still see the old color, refresh once more to clear cache. The body background should be new everywhere unless a specific section overrides it, and that is the next thing to check. If you only want to change one page instead of the whole site, go back to the dashboard, click Pages, then click All Pages. Open the page you want to edit. When the page editor loads, click the settings icon in the upper right corner. If the sidebar doesn't show the page settings, click the Page tab. Then look through the template or styles options. If your theme allows page-level styling, you'll see a background or color setting. Click it and choose a color for this page only. The editor preview updates for that page, not the whole site. Then click Update at the top right. But keep in mind, a page-specific background can override the global one later, so if you change the global color afterward and this page stays different, that's probably why. Not every theme has this setting, so if you don't see it, don't install anything. The global style settings are the built-in option for block themes. Now, if you want to change the whole site again, go back to Appearance, then Editor, click Styles, then Colors, then Background. Choose a new color and watch the preview. The body background changes first, but some sections may stay white or keep an old color. That's because individual blocks can carry their own background settings that sit on top of the global background. If that happens, open the page in the WordPress editor. Click directly on the section or block that still has the old background, usually a group or cover block. In the right sidebar, look at the block settings. Click Styles if your editor shows it, then find Color. If this block has its own background color, change it to the color you want, or click Clear or Reset to remove it. I almost always remove the block override instead of painting it white, because white is still an override and it can hide the global background you set. Don't go through individual sections unless the global background already works, and a specific block genuinely needs to be different. Extra block overrides just make future color changes harder. Now, if you're on a classic theme and you didn't see Editor under Appearance, go back to the dashboard and click Appearance, then Customize. The labels here depend on the theme. Look for colors, background image, or general options, and open whichever panel your theme provides. Click the background color option and choose a new color. The live preview on the right updates as you pick it. Scroll through the preview and check the entire page, then click Publish at the top. Open the site in a new tab, refresh, and verify the background. In a classic theme, the customizer may apply the color to the body, but a header image or content box can still cover parts of it, so look at the whole page. As far as which color to pick, a very light neutral is the safe professional option. I usually pick a light gray instead of pure white because it's easier on the eyes. If you use a brand color, make sure the headings, paragraphs, buttons, and links still have enough contrast. You can check that right in the preview before you save. The background should support the content, not compete with it. After you save, open the site on a phone or use your browser's responsive preview. Look at the body background, the text, and the images. Check buttons and links too. A background that looks good on a desktop can feel too dark or too bright on a small screen, so always check both desktop and mobile. If you want to put it back, go back to Appearance, Editor, Styles, Colors, Background. Choose the previous color or the theme default, then click Save. On a classic theme, go back to Appearance, Customize, open the background or color settings, restore the original color, and click Publish. Two things to check if you hit this later. First, if your header or footer keeps the wrong background, that's almost always a group block with its own color setting inside the header or footer template part. Open that template part and check the block's background. Second, if you later want to remove a background override, use Clear or Reset, not white. White still counts as a background and it will block the global color you chose. If this got your background changed, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.